Dell E7470 SSD and RAM replacement upgrade. The RAM place is here. You can push these two from the right and left side, and RAM is going up, and you can remove it. And another RAM, you have to put this line to this line on motherboard, and push right and left side of the RAM to the down. Okay, now for replace and change the SSD, the right side. Okay, remove it, and you can push and push down and close this screw. Okay, Dell E7470, it has two slide of RAM. You can use two RAM together, and this finish. After this, you have to close the door. If you want more thing about another laptops, about repairment laptops, and review of laptops, please subscribe our channel and like us. Have a good time. Goodbye.